Hello, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to a brand new video, and this time on the just about on the majorette roundabout we have this majorette limousine, and as I say it only just fits on there. It's a great big beast, and this is for the May DMC challenge for anything goes. So I thought I'd do this one. Anything goes in banger racing, so why not? Yeah, let's watch it go around. Just to say hello to all my subscribers, all friends of the channel, welcome back. Any new friends, welcome aboard. Hope you stick around. So let's get off your magic and have a look at it. Right, here we are then on the bench with this great big beast. It just about fits in the camera. I apologise for both ends not in view, but I thought I'd have a go do this on video, see how we get on. So it's a majorette limousine. It's held in by rivets. Let me just point out where. Here, and just see them here and here. Right, so get those drilled out and see what we've got inside it then. Right, I've not done one of these for a long time. Probably way back in the 90s when I first started doing these. When I just used to smash windows out, you know, the old traditional way. So we'll have a go, see how we get on. Yeah, I've got a brand new phone now, so see how these videos come out on this one. Right. Shine the light on it or not, make it a bit brighter. Right. That's where it's done both ends, so I don't know what's holding it in between. I don't want to really. I think it's coming out slowly. You've just got to be gentle with it, being a plastic base. I don't really want to break anything. Unless there's a rivet there, I don't know. Let's have a look. Could be. Ooh. Let you see that. Right, okay, let's see what that does, if anything. Nope. Right, so I've not taken a base off on these before, so I don't know what to get into here. Boom, 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 boom. It's too big. And no, I'm not going to use my file this time, as I've been told off for using it by somebody. I won't say who. Screwdriver. Tries off repair scissors in. See it. Yeah, it's doing something. trying to come out. It's trying. Ah, here we go. Aha, I don't think I've broken anything. Right, it's off. I don't know what was. I don't know. Right, that's the base anyway. See that? Okay. Might need to glue that in. I don't know yet. Right, now then, if I remember rightly, when I did this, the back bumper should come out. That's handy. Okay, that's the rear bumper. I'll probably keep that out. The lights. The rear lights. I'll just smash it. When I did these years ago, I just like pull them out from the front. I don't know. Take the front bumper off. That's your front. Now look at it from the front. It does look a bit. You see that? It does look a bit plain and boring. So what I'm going to do is later on, keep the front, but cut out. Let me just show you something. What I'm going to do is what I did years ago on one of these. So keep the front and just cut out this section where the lights are. You'll see what I mean later on. So it looks, so the front's got a bit of detail in front of it. Right, take out the interior. That should be easy enough. Right, that's the interior. Right, now then, this, if I remember rightly, what I'm going to do is, I know it's a shame to waste all this, because I want to keep the front seats as usual. What I'll do is cut off the back half. Now what I did with this before, with the steering column, or dashboard I should say, I'm sure this, and this is a different model, you can easily turn it around to make it, yeah, so what I'd done before, I took the dashboard off and swapped it over from left hand to right hand. But I don't know if that's doable or not, looking at that. I might just leave it as it is. But you know, I'm going to cut it in half anyway, so I've got the front seats only. That's what I'll do next. Right, so the glass, now that's, looks like it's riveted in. So I might have to, oh that's the aerial, don't want that. So I might have to draw some of that out. By the looks of it. Right, that's that. I don't know what it's done now. Don't know if that glass will come out now. Should do. Oh, there we go. Oops. Oh yes. Oh, blimey, yes, that's interesting. Yeah. So that's the roof. You've got to keep that. That's the roof. You've got to keep that. That's your glass panel. That's your glass panel for it, along with the sunroof. So there can go your spares box. Right, don't want the aerial. I should keep the this bit on it. This bit on here. And what I need to do is when we back from the speaker, put the roof back on it like that. Okay. Right. Excuse me. Right. So the next stage is to the pit of misery. for the paint stripping. See you shortly. Right, here we are in a bit of misery. Put a little bit of a drain blocker in there to help it. Just poured in the caustic soda. See what that does to this particular casting. And so far, not a lot by the looks of it. Put a bit more in. Well, light up at the moment. Can't see no paint coming off. Right, I think we'll leave that for a little while. Try and let the caustic soda do its stuff. Come back in 15 minutes or so and see what happens. Okay. Right, okay, while the casting's in the caustic soda, what I'm going to do in the meantime is do what I've explained to you a little while ago about this interior and the lights. So I'm going to cut the most of the back half of it. Be really careful. Might break in half. Get the old-fashioned way, get a hacksaw out, I think, just finish it off. This is how I used to do the interiors and cutting rings off years ago. Let's see what that does. Right, we're nearly there, I think. There we go. Right, so that's the back half. We don't need that. Go straight in the bin. Right, so that's the front half, which we wouldn't need to keep. Now the lights, I'm just going to cut down the side of the grille and along the bumper. Apologies for the noise. Okay, I didn't see that. Okay, righty ho. Right, okay. Oh, this is different. Oh, kitty. Right, what I need to do is just cut along there. I think I might just get rid of it. Right, that's one out. So we've got that, okay. Right, now do the other one. Right, that I did not plan, so I don't want to put the grill if I can help it. If not, I'll just, well, what I'll do is I'll just glue it back in place. I was hoping to keep that little plate on the back of it, but it didn't quite work out. So there we go. Right, so just got the grill left, which is what I was hoping to get for. Okay, so we don't need that on that. That's no good. Right, so that's that sorted out. So we've got the grill and we've got the front half of the interior. And we've got a roof and a base plate. Right, we'll just see how the casting's getting on back in a moment. Right, the casting's back for the dippers, and interestingly, after using caustic soda, drain unblocker, Mr. Muscle drain blocker for about half hour, all that's done is taken the lacquer off it. So I got this sort of dull matte finish. So I think what I'm going to do is just spray over it with some white primer, just so that the main colour stands out, and just go from there really. So it's hardly touched it really, to be honest. Like I say, just taking the lacquer off it. Yeah, not a lot else. So I'll get the primer on it and start painting it. Okie dokie. Right, okay, as you can see, the casting has now been sprayed in white primer to make the top coat stand out. I've done a dry run on this to make sure everything fits on it okay, and it does. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to cut the wings. Probably just a little bit along here maybe. Just cut a bit off the front there, both sides. And then once that's done, I'll start giving it a coat of paint and just carry on. Excuse me. I'll do one side just to show you what I'm doing. But you don't need me to show you both sides really. What I'll do is I'll mark off here on a cut. Might be easier. Sort of yeah, something like that. Same with the other side too. False now. Let's have a go. Yep, there we go. So that's one side off. Smooth it up as well. If I can find it. There we go. one side done. The front bumper should still fit on there without being cut off. Yeah, it'll still fit okay. There's no problem. Right, I'm going to cut the other side off now. So when that's done, I'm going to start prepping up for painting. Right, see you soon. Okie dokie there, it's reassemble time. Right, start off. Right, I've put the interior back in. I think it went in like that, I think it was. Yeah, that's it, like that, yeah, that's it. Boom, 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 boom. Oh, probably was made in the way. Right, so it goes in like that. Right, now I think I'll put the base back on. It just clicks into place. I'll find the posts. Oh, I think when it's in place, I'm just going to glue it back in. There we go, that's all good. Yeah, it rolls nicely. I'll glue that in place. Boom, 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 boom. Right, that's that. Right, now glue the grill back on. There we go. So that just goes on the front. It should slide into place. Right, okie dokie, fun and games time. Right. It should sit on the base where, and like that. It should do in theory. Yeah, right, let's try and do it like that then. See if that works. Right, something like that. Oops. one's going to be an awkward one to stay in place. This is. I'm stuck to the base. Right. Yes, sort of on there, sort of. I think what I did when it's properly dry, I just paint over it to make it a bit nicer. Excuse me. Yeah, just let the glue dry properly first before I paint over it. Right, okay, that should be dry enough now. Right, I'm going to paint over it a bit so glue doesn't show so much. Boom, 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 boom. Whew, sure warm tonight. Alright. I'll try and do as I can as much as I can. Because it's a long vehicle, it's hard to do it. I'll give you the best shot though, so you see what I'm doing. Right, that's the bumper done. I'll do the back now. And what I'm going to do is just paint in where the rear lights would have been in these recesses across here. Oh, okay, so it looks something like that. Right. Boom, 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 boom. Still on the bottom of the base. There we go. Okay. Right, I'll do around the window frames. I'll do one side, so I don't think you need me to show the whole vehicle. I'll do the back one first anyway. Try and tidy up a bit better. Right. Trying to do as I can as much as I can, but like I say, being a long vehicle, it's hard to try and get it all in. I'll do the best we can though. That's one anyway. Best, as best I can get it. Well, I'll do the rest off camera, then I'll show you it when it's all done, okay? Right, okay, here we are, back on our majorette roundabout, all finished. Yeah. Yeah, as you can see, I've done one half of a Suicide Squad, which is a team that used to race at the now closed Arena Essex Raceway. And the other side, as you can see, is the infamous Surrey Street Squad, who race mainly at Smallfield and other sort of circuits. Yeah, so I've done half and half of this one. And this is for the May DMC challenge for Anything Goes. So I thought, well, anything goes in banger racing, so why not? This is what I've done. This is my entry for it. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, and leave some comments underneath. So until the next video, yeah, okay, bye for now.